Hello my dear friends, today I want to show you how work a real working hack for Aviator Crash game. Look at this my friends, this is my official Telegram channel Shark1x Games and me Shark1xBet if you want this real working hack for Aviator Crash game. Look at this my friends, this is actual fresh date and fresh time, 13 July 23 year today. And let's go, I want to show you how it's work. Go to the Google Chrome, Shark. Go to the 1xBet official website, 1xbet.com crash. And look at this, my friend. First link, this is official 1xBet website, 1xbet.com crash game. Press this. And look at this, my friends. This is real 1xBet official website, 1xbet.com crash game. You see? Refresh my balance, you see my balance. All this real, my friends. 13 July 23 year today. You see all this real. And let's go, I want to show you how I win money right now. Go to my mobile Android phone, Aviator Predictor. Choose 1xBet. And you see next coefficient, guys, when Aviator crash, you see? Look at this number and this number, my friends. Amazing. It's real work perfect, it's amazing. Okay, and place a bet and show you how I win money again. Right now, in front of your eyes, my friends. It's big coefficient again, and I like it. Look at this. It's amazing, my friends. It's real work perfect. Again, big coefficient, my friends, and I miss bet. I place a bet again and show you how I win money right now. It's amazing, my friends. It's real work perfect. Look at this. This is my history, guys, from today and yesterday. You see, it's real work perfect. Now, low coefficient, my friends. Look at this. You see, it's real work perfect. You see my balance right now. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdraw it to my Visa card. Actual fresh date and fresh time today, my friends. Press confirm, press OK. And now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1xBet wallet to my Visa card. It's about 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait a little bit and my money withdraws. Real good. All this real, my friends. This is 1xBet official website. You see 1xbet.com. Refresh my balance. You see, guys, money withdraws. Just wait when status change to approve and money come to my Visa card. From 1xBet wallet to my Visa card. Just wait a little bit. Yes, status change to approve. Thank you for viewing, guys. Bye bye. See you later.